Hey guys, Theo here, and welcome to the Caffeine Zone, where we discuss everything coffee. And part of the Instant Coffee series, today we are tasting the Nescafe Espresso. Probably one of the ones I appreciate slightly more when it comes to the flavor. It's extremely creamy. I know they say espresso. I think that's a lie. It is out of 3 strengths, which I don't know. All the coffees strengthen out of 5, except certain ones. So this is out of 4, and this is 3 out of 4. And what I love about these Nescafe bottles is they actually have this beautiful little recipe on the back, where they say use 1.8 grams of coffee with 80 degrees Celsius water. Who would have thought? Yes, don't use boiling water. You extract the bitter elements of the coffee, and that's not nice. Let's get to tasting this one. So let's go. 1.8 times 2, because I've got 200 mils of water in here. We will go with 3.6. There we go, 3.6. And again, 88 degrees Celsius water. Don't use boiling water. You extract the bitter elements. Now this one has a beautiful crema, and that's why they call it the espresso. Now we'll taste this on 2 minutes. Give it a little bit of a stir. Make sure everything is nice and dissolved. Sweetness, acidity, bitterness. This one will probably fall on about 2 sweetness, about a 5 acidity, and about a 3 out of 10 bitterness. Much, much better. Now if that sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy, then this is the way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Be blessed, and may you find your happy place in every single cup.